सभा में वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमन बोल रही हैं, सीधे उनको सुन लेते हैं।
1% share transfer, they had to rush to the regulator. At least now it will be only when it is 5%, and therefore the ease of doing business comes in. Sir, reducing net owned fund requirement for foreign reinsurance branches from 5,000 crore to 1,000 crore would invite more reinsurers to come into this country for creating greater risk management, risk capacities that they would have, and would create a level playing field for the foreign reinsurance companies in domestic tariff area as opposed to that which prevails in the foreign IFSC. Because we want Indian citizens to get the same benefits as much as those who operate in the IFSC would be giving. So the central government may, by notification, apply with modifications or exempt the insurance intermediaries operating in any special economic zone, inclusive of IFSCA, from the provisions of the Insurance Act. This is only with particular, the exemption will be offered only in certain conditions, and this will only be aimed at getting more investments. But that is only after the application are scrutinized and the objective is kept intact. We are providing further, sir, autonomy to LIC. This is one of the important things which many of the members were talking about, but this point will address it. LIC will have greater autonomy. We are providing autonomy to LIC to open zonal offices and aligning compliance for its foreign offices with the laws and regulations which prevail in the respective jurisdictions. Now, even if they want to open one zonal office in an area where business is thriving, they will have to come to the government, seek the permission, the files move up and down, and then the permission is given, and then they go open, by which time months pass. Whereas if it is given to their own board, decision can be a lot more professionalized. That's one of the things which we are doing by the amendment we are bringing for the LIC Act. We are also empowering the regulator. This is very important, because many members thought we are empowering the regulator. It's so empowered. It is empowered for a very good thing. That is disgorging wrongful gains. When most of the time wrongful gains happen and somebody's gained it, you don't have the statutory power to disgorge that and give it to whoever have been made to suffer. Now this one will give that power to the regulator to disgorge wrongful gains from insurers and from intermediaries. So when insurance companies have made wrongful profit, that will be disgorged by the regulator. And this is one of the very insurance policyholder friendly steps. We are also proposing, sir, to rationalize penalties to be imposed by the regulator. The maximum limit of penalty on insurers for default in complying with or acting in Insurance Act or the regulator IRDA Act has been proposed to increase from 1 crore to 10 crores. Now insurance intermediaries have also been included under this provision. This would act as a deterrent and encourage legal and regulatory compliance. Earlier, the fine of 1 crore, which we are now proposing to increase to 10 crore, was only applicable to the insurance companies and not for the intermediaries. Now we are bringing both on board, and both will be at 10 crore penalty, so that there will be some deterrent from compliance oversights, as a result of which many of the insurance holders, policy holders suffer. And the last point, sir, which is the main feature, all these are the main features of this act, and the last of the main feature is an entity, for instance, engaged in the business of insurance, will have to categorically use the name insurance, assurance, insurance company in their names. You cannot operate anymore by not having the word insurance or assurance in your name. So it will directly relate to the common people saying, oh, this is a recognized insurance company. Without mentioning the word insurance, a lot of questions are raised as to are they genuinely in the business of insurance? Who are they? Are they doing it? So on. So similarly, sir, an insurance intermediary will have to necessarily indicate the nature of its business and service.
बिल्कुल, तो ये कुछ बड़ी बातें वित्त मंत्री जो बता रही थी इंश्योरेंस अमेंडमेंट बिल को लेकर, भारतीयों को ज्यादा फायदा देने की बात की जा रही है, जोनल ऑफिसेस खोलने की बात की, एलआईसी को लेकर रेगुलेटर को और मजबूत करने की बात है, जो नीलेश सर हम आपसे बात ही कर रहे थे और इनफैक्ट बड़े सही समय पे वित्त मंत्री का भाषण भी आ गया। तो